2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 19,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Take home the car of your dreams today.